Namaste, I am Yogesh Kumar Singh, founder of Agrowia Enterprises. We are specialized in urban gardening system. We provide a solution for the automated gardening for the limited space, for example, apartment and residential societies. I have joined this IM STEAM program, collaboration with the IM and 𝐸𝐴𝐷𝐵. After 9 months, completing the 9 months, I found this program very useful for the startup. Here we learned the structured way how to set up our startup, how to scale it, how to market our product. We got an excellent faculty from the IM, Satya sir, Pani sir, Ram sir and MHR sir, who helped us with the real-time articles and case study that showcase that how we should create our business proposal, pitch deck, to raise our fundings in the market. I am very thankful to the IM and all the faculties, also 𝐸𝐴𝐷𝐵, to support us and guide us through this IM STEAM program. Thank you.